Hello everyone and welcome to my lace wig tutorial. I'm going to show you how to put that lace wig on and make it look realistic. Alright, I got my wig, my lace wig. When buying a lace wig, you got to make sure that the front of it, not the machine make ones, but when it looks like it's actually meshed. Let me see if you can see it. Like it's actually, I don't know how to describe it, but like it's has its own little hair lines, like it has a little tiny hairs in front. Let's see if you can see it. I'm just trying to show you guys what I mean. It's not working, but you just make sure that it looks like it has its own, like it's growing out its own scalp, not look like it's 100% human hair. I think it's about 16 inches and it's natural color, natural brown. And okay, so let's get this started. All right. Okay, I had this wig for a while. But you put on a wig, you always wear a stocking cap. Stocking cap makes it fit on your head a little better. I already have a section that's tweezed. Spin some hair cream so you can look more slick and nice. How it's looking already. Put more towards the end. See how the ends look? Kind of look trashy. You can also put a flat iron to it, which could help smooth it out. But I don't want to do that right now. When you put on makeup, you gotta apply it to a freshly clean face. Either give yourself a scrub or whatever. It makes the makeup go on much easier and it doesn't look ashy. It makes it blend in better. that's my foundation. And now for my powder. My powder is a little lighter than the foundation. That's just the way I like it. It makes it blend easier. Sorry, I'm looking in the mirror because it's hard for me to see this. So I'm looking in the mirror and doing it at the same time. So I keep turning away. I hope you see the difference in my face. You should. I'm half blind, but I can see it. Now, I'm going to put on a little bit of eyeshadow. I'm using pink. Use my finger because I can't find the other piece to it. So I'm using my finger for now. And I like to put a little in the corners right here. Don't worry, it'll all blend in better. Put a little bit of purple at this size up here. I don't want to be too much that it look overwhelming. Now I'm going to add some blush. You gotta smile when you're doing blushes. It's looking good already. Next, do my eyes. I have a better mascara, but I can't find it right now. It makes your lashes just look extra long, but this works. Alright. See my eyes now? Let me see. This one is like finishing. I think that's good. Look, I found the brush, but I already used my finger. Alright, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. All these things. This is eyebrow liner. It's kind of messed up. So I gotta hold it a certain way so it don't slide back in. I'm trying to do it in the camera, but I'm gonna have to put it down. Now it really makes me look like I have no eyebrow. The makeup will look even better on people who has no acne. I have a lot of acne. So, and the makeup doesn't cause that. It's something I had since I was I went through puberty, and it just never went away. I want to do the other one over. I did it too high. Because it's the first time I tried to do it into the camera and it came out too high. I like it just like this. Alright, this is good. This is good. See, I just went over it like that. A little like that. One more thing. I don't really wear lipstick like that. Just lip gloss. I just do the bottom. Alright, I think everything is okay. It's turned out good. It's time to wash this. Time you wash your weave, give it a fresh look. Wash it, dry it, straighten it. Hell, you could even perm it. Like how my eyebrows turn out. I think my eyebrows turned out great. I like how my hair turned out. It looks like my own hair. I like how my makeup turned out. I like how my hair turned out. It looks real like my natural hair. It. So you could do the same thing. Alright, I hope you guys like my tutorial. I know it's a real quick tutorial. I'm sorry for any bad lighting or anything like that. So I hope you like my video, and remember to like or subscribe. I really would appreciate it. Alright, thank you guys. Bye.